So, assuming that we will get into the stage where we have super intelligent general AIs, should we think of them as our tools, our partners, our children? How should we think of these things?
Um, so many people still are of the school of thought that AI should only ever be a tool. Certainly, I'm collaborating with some research organizations over the world, and most of the guidance that is published, whether it's at OECD, UN, they talk about AI like, oh, it is a tool, and we should deploy it with this purpose and with these rules and these guardrails. And certainly, that's where we're at today. However, within just a few weeks of GPT-4 being published, people were already building autonomous agents or semi-autonomous agents. And these are people like you and I, just as individuals building cognitive architectures and using the intrinsic abilities, the reasoning abilities of these language models to create autonomous agents. We should assume that that will ramp up, that corporations, militaries, governments, even hostile actors such as maybe organized crime will start to use fully autonomous agents that are either self-contained or network kind of intelligence, cloud-based, whatever. There's many different architectures that can be deployed. So we have to assume that either semi-autonomous or fully autonomous agents are coming pretty soon. And one thing that I perceive is a policy gap and a research gap is many people are not working on that. We're still kind of in a phase where people kind of talk about super intelligence like the boogeyman, and these are usually decision theorists or philosophers talking about it. But there's not as many computer scientists or policymakers talking about autonomous AI. So there's a little bit of a gap there.